Hello, I've bought some memory to upgrade my server. I bought two 4GB sticks of DDR4 at 2400 megahertz. But I've made a mistake here. I really should have got 2666 megahertz memory because that would have paired better with the i5 8500. The i3 8100 would have been fine with this memory. But I'm hoping, even though things will run a little bit slower, it shouldn't really impact the performance too much. Okay, now I'll start to install them. I've booted into the BIOS by pressing F10, and now we can see that we have 16 gigabytes of RAM, but the speed is all running at 2400 megahertz. It looks like the memory has been installed successfully because we're able to boot properly. That's it for this short video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.